Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're taking to the skies over one of the most stunning shorelines on the Great Lakes, Goderich, Ontario. Look at these pristine sandy beaches stretching out alongside the incredibly vibrant turquoise waters of Lake Huron. It looks like a tropical escape today, but this waterfront has a deep maritime legacy. Established in 1827, this harbor became a vital gateway to the Canadian frontier. It remains the only deepwater commercial port on the entire eastern side of Lake Huron, making this shoreline a unique meeting point of beautiful recreation and heavy industry. But these beaches haven't always looked this pristine. Back in the 1800s, this area looked drastically different. It was a wild marshland wrapped in unstable clay bluffs. Just past the modern South Pier lay an area known to early sailors as the Boneyard, a final resting place where old rotting wooden ships were deliberately abandoned to sink. In fact, a major dredging project in 1962 actually used the harbor's silt to build up and stabilize the very beaches you see today. And right alongside those beaches sits the massive Compass Minerals facility. In 1866, a man named Samuel Platt was drilling right here on the shoreline, hunting for oil. Instead, 1,000 feet down, he hit a massive bed of pure rock salt. Today, it has evolved into the largest underground salt mine in the world, stretching kilometers out deep beneath the lake bed. Moving away from the open lake, we follow the water inland to the mouth of the Maitland River, nestled right in the river valley, is this incredible piece of heritage, the Menace-Eating Bridge. Today, it serves as a spectacular pedestrian walkway offering panoramic views of the river and the lake beyond. But when the Canadian Pacific Railway built this towering wooden and steel structure in 1907, it wasn't for a quiet stroll. It was an engineering triumph designed to carry thunderous steam trains, connecting the expanding rail lines of Ontario directly to the booming shipping port we just flew over. From a wild shipwreck boneyard and an accidental world record salt mine to this preserved railway bridge, these shores hold a lot of history. If you loved this aerial, look at the Goderich waterfront and want to see more hidden gems across Ontario, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below letting me know where we should fly next. Thanks for watching and keep exploring.